Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool automatic electric 3-slot payphone, and this is David's equipment from Texas. And this payphone is in very good condition for its age. This is the initial checkout, and we're going to be converting this telephone for home use. And so we kind of want to go through it a little bit. We definitely want to check the rotary. We're going to go through that, oil, clean, and adjust the rotary. It's very sluggish, and it needs to be gone through. We also want to install a dial center card, and that will be something to the period of the telephone. It has a nice informational card on it, so we'll be leaving that in the unit. We also do not have any keys to this telephone, but they can be opened with any little screwdriver or any kind of a key if you stick it in there a little bit. And the locks have been broke, and so that's taken care of. He's not concerned with that issue. So now what we want to do is kind of just give you a look at the handset here. And it has its security cable on it, and it's in very good condition. We also want to talk about the open coin return. That shows that this telephone is a little bit older. It's a little more collectible because they didn't start putting the doors on them till a little later. And this is known as an open coin return. We also want to give you a look at the inside of this telephone. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Okay, now that we have this telephone open, we want to definitely install a bell in it and bell circuit. We're going to have to rewire this telephone the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We also need to go through the hook switch. The hook switch is sluggish, and they also have the network loose here. So we want to go through all that. We also want to install a modular port in the center of the back of the telephone, so David can simply walk up to this telephone and plug in any length, any color line cord he chooses, and that makes for a clean, simple plug-and-play connection. We also want to go through the coin validator and make sure that all the coins are falling through. In case anyone puts coins in them, we want it to end up into the vault area. And since you don't really need a key to get into this telephone, David wouldn't have any problem getting the coins back out. So what we want to do is get a start on this telephone, and we want to get some more video of it as we move forward in the progress of repair and conversion of this telephone. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this 3-slot payphone, and we want to run through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and went through the transmitter, the receiver. We rewired this telephone the way we needed it wired to work the way we want it to work. We went through the rotary. It's returning smooth, and it's returning like it should. We also installed a modular port so that you can simply walk up to this telephone and plug in the line cord, any length, any color, makes for a clean, simple plug-and-play connection. We also went through the hook switch. We went through the coin validator. We installed a bell circuit. So we basically went through the whole telephone and did the complete conversion on it. We also want to start our final checks. We're going to give you a still picture of our dial center card that we installed and the modular port that is at the back of the phone that you simply walk up and plug a line cord into. Now what we want to do is go ahead and put some money in it. We've got a quarter here. We'll go ahead and put that in. It'll gong one time and fall into the vault area. We want to go ahead and put a dime in. That's going to ring the bell twice. A nickel will ring the bell one time. We'll put another quarter in. A dime. And one last nickel. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and ring the telephone. But before we start, I want to mention that we have our pickup here. And this pickup is our amplification, and it picks up the receive so that you can hear what we're doing with the telephone when we're doing our final checks. So we'll go ahead and ring the unit. I'm going to let that go a few times since this telephone didn't have a bell. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. We'll walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in at 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It's dialing out. It has transmit and receive. It's accepting the change, and that's falling into the vault area. We have a button on the switch box, and when I push that, that gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll call that number.
Good evening. Today is Friday, October 31st. The time is 11:21. Current temperature 45 degrees. Clearing, windy and cooler today, a high in the mid-40s, northwest gusting to 35. Clear tonight, widespread frost, lows in the upper 20s. Saturday, sunny skies, a high 45.
Okay, we can call one other number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to David, and he can enjoy this payphone. It's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.